guys, welcome back. I got a 100x meme coin gem update for you guys right here. If you guys got this video 4 days ago, you know you made 600% on this coin. Let's look at this coin because it's pulled back. If you missed this coin, if you missed the 530% run that we just had in about 2 days on this token, I made this video for you guys 4 days ago. Since then, this token's pulled back a ton. We're sitting right down here, man. Oh man, I was just buying this token. I saw that it hit 12 cents. I got an alert. I was buying it up at like 14 cents, bought it up to 16 cents, and now we're sitting right here. Now, I don't know if this is a reversal based off of this zone right here. Like if you drew a line, you drew a block line right down here, you'd see right here that this thing actually has like a lot of support right in this area. But this is a downtrend right now. Now, that's not to say that this token is dead. I do think that this token can come back the way that Egg Dog came back. And this is not financial advice. What I'm looking for to see right here is to see this actually turn into an uptrend. What we want to see is this to come down and then retest this area and then go back up. That's going to indicate an uptrend here. If this thing gets rejected and comes down some more, we're still in a downtrend. If it's still in a downtrend and this token survives, I would say we're going to sit around this area. Around 8 or 9 cents would probably be your final support zone before this thing would have a reversal and turn around like it did down here when we made that money off of it right there. Now, we actually had bought in, we were buying in down and around here. We bought in at like 7 cents, rode it up to like 15. We rode it up to like 15 cents, sold it, and then we rode this one up. So we rode this token 3 times. If you guys missed out on PIPI the cat, this is Pepe's cat, guys. Say hello to Pepe's cat. We're here with Pepe's cat with a brand new video. Dude, he's got the Lambo out. Here's the links down here. Real simple website, mega tiny. You could actually just look at the Twitter, the Telegram, check it all out. I mean, like, it's a very small community, quite honestly. That's why I was saying this is not financial advice. I mean, like, all this shit is definitely very risky, but it is worth it if you're gonna have a chance to make 530% gains. Like, you guys literally could have put 100 in and turned that into like $600. So I'm not saying put your life savings in it. I'm just saying there's definitely potential for money to be made. Now, right now, we're sitting down here on the order book. This thing popped off from about 12 cents was our low after this guy sold it down here. It didn't sit down there for very long. About 17 minutes later, we had about a $700 buy back in, a little bit of middle action, another $700 buy back in, and then a bunch of smaller buys followed. Some of these were me. I'm not going to tell you which ones, but some of these buys here were me. And then we're just sitting in the middle, guys. So we're going to see what happens here. This looks like it would be a good time for it to turn around. But I could say that I'd love to see it come down more. I'd love to see even just a retest of like 13 cents. And then I'll buy the bag up more. Because I think that this thing can go, guys. And like, I sort of like did not want to miss out on the longer term run on this thing. I'd like to hold a bag of this for the bull market. And if Solana recovers here, then we're going to definitely have a shot. What we need is for Ethereum to hold up here and maybe start going up. If BTC can hold, we'll do all right, but it got rejected today at the 43,000. So because we got rejected at 43,000, and as well as what happened here, is that my shooting star? Yeah, BTC right here. This is a shooting star pattern. I had it pulled up on the chart right here. I don't know what happened. It froze up on me. But the shooting star pattern is a very bearish reversal pattern right here. This is a shooting star pattern that you guys got right here. If you wanted to look at it, it's right here on Google. It appears after an uptrend. It's a bearish candle. Suggests a potential bearish reversal. So we are, like I told you, my last video was slightly bearish. But that does not mean that I think that the market's going to tank to the ground this very moment. Obviously, if you see Ethereum and Bitcoin start tanking, maybe do not hold on to something like PIPI the cat. Maybe that's a time to sell it because normally BTC dumps first, then Ethereum dumps, then the altcoins dump. That's the kind of the order flow that we go with it right there. Does this thing work? Okay, cool. So here's our little downtrend that we're in. If this thing breaks up and goes to like 20 cents, breaks over this area, if we go to like 22 cents, this will be an uptrend right here. As you can see, people are gay X2. Thank you, gay X2. Look at C4. Thank you. Oh God, they got interesting tags here. But if this thing, see how it's trying to break out of this area right here. If this thing breaks out, I'm gonna have to leave this video here soon for you guys because I'm rambling. I really want you guys to have a chance to look at this thing. It's a Solana meme coin. You guys can get it on Bird Eye with your Solana or your USDC, whatever, with the Solflare wallet. That's all that you guys need to know. Do your own research, of course. It's very risky. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll leave this right here. Have an amazing day, guys. Take care and have a good one.